catches the light, it finds all the colors in the sun and spreads them out for us to see.
It's beautiful, Cheer. Beautiful.
Thanks, Cher. I love it. It's so old, no one remembers the Care Bear who made it. I better put it away for safekeeping.
Hey, Cheer, check out my skateboard. Painted it myself.
Looks great, Funshine. You're a real artist.
Thanks. Watch this trick. My fabulous Funshine full lip.
Catch you next time. Gotta get back to the meadow.
How about one more trick, Funshine?
Yeah, sure thing, Grumpy. What'll it be?
How about you make that skateboard disappear?
Sure. But first, my hop-in half heel.
Ooh!
I have work to do. Come on, Dibble.
Oh.
Impressive, Funshine, but I'm with Grumpy. Maybe you should take it outside.
Oh, after you see my most major move. Okay, here we go. This is one tricky trick. Haven't quite nailed it yet. Hey, Ginger Snap, old school upside down double dip backs with alpha alpha ollie. Oh no. Oh no.
What? Cheer's necklace! Whoa, bro. She loves that thing.
I know, but maybe it's okay. Doesn't look too bad, huh? No!
Doesn't look too good either.
What am I going to do?
You have to tell her what happened.
Get real good luck. If I told her, it'd break her heart.
I know, but you have to. It's like Tenderheart says. When you break someone's trust, it's a hard thing to mend.
That's it. I'll mend it. I'll fix it as good as new. Hey, Cheer said it herself. I'm a great artist.
I don't know.
I have to at least try. Come on, good luck. Give me a chance to do that, okay? I broke her necklace. I can't break her heart.
Okay, I'll go along with it for Cheer, but only for a little while.
That's all I need. Just keep Cheer out of the workroom. Yeah, no problem, no problem. I got this, no problem.
Oh, it's Cheer! What's up, Cheer?
I told Dibble I'd show her my necklace.
Oh, yeah! Great idea. How about I show you guys a magic trick first? Right over here.
I didn't know you did magic tricks, Good Luck.
Me neither. I mean, here we go. I need a volunteer from the audience. How about you? Step up here. Excited? So am I. Now for my first trick. I will, make you disappear. Maybe. Just step into the mystical magical box. When I say the magic words, she will vanish. Abracadabra, dabra, dabra, and, so on.
Dibble Dibble?
Okay. Let me try again.
Well, maybe if she doesn't look too close. Now to make sure it still works. Oh. No! Oh, why didn't I listen to Good Luck? Why didn't I take it outside? That's it. I'll take it outside. Yeah, it'd be easier for Cheer if she thinks it's lost than to know it's broken.
Ta-da!
Oh.
Are you sure you're ready to do this trick, Good Luck?
What? Ha! You don't think I know how to do it?
Well, of course. If you say you can, I trust you're telling me the truth.
Trust. Yeah, right.
I just think you might need a little bit more practice, that's all.
Wait! One more try! Please!
Okay.
I hate to do this, but it's the only way to keep from breaking Cheer's heart.
And one more time. Ta-da!
Good luck, you did it!
I did? I mean, I did! Sure I did!
Now, make her reappear.
Reappear? Sure. That would be good. Wherever you are, far or near, little Dibble, reappear! Guess I still need to learn that part of the trick.
Wait, you don't know what you did with Dibble?
Oh, no. I'm sure she's around here somewhere.
Dibble!
Here, Dibble, Dibble, Dibble!
Where are you? Sorry to interrupt your work, but has anyone seen Dibble?
Guess I, don't know my own magic strength. Don't worry, Cheer. We'll find her.
Dibble!
Here, Dibble, Dibble, Dibble! Here, Dibble, Dibble, Dibble!
Oh, no, not yet.
Ooh, pretty.
Funshine, have you seen Dibble? I made her disappear and, well, long story.
I can help you look for her. Come out wherever you are.
Exactly what are you guys doing?
Looking for Dibble. Good luck made her disappear, and long story.
She's in here. Oh, brother.
Well,
Hey, what's that she's playing with?
oh, I'm sure it's nothing.
Be careful, Funshine. My necklace is in there. I wanted to show this to Dibble. Where is it? Where's my necklace? Dibble, what did you do with the thing that was in here?
Nothing.
Please, Dibble, that necklace means a lot to me. Can you tell me where you put it?
Oh, no, Dibble didn't see.
Funshine, tell her!
Tell me what?
The truth, Cheer. I have to tell you, I broke your necklace.
That's sweet of you, Funshine, to cover for Dibble, but she needs to tell me where it is.
No, he means it, Cheer. Really.
I was skateboarding. There was an accident. I tried to fix it. I thought I could. I didn't want you to feel bad. So I hid it out there in the meadow. I can show you where it is.
The Whiffles just planted a seed of caring in that meadow.
I know how to get there faster. There's only one way across that. Okay, you gotta nail it this time, Funshine. Ginger snap, old school, upside down, double dip, back twist, alpha, alpha, ollie! Nailed it! Ah! Oh no. I'll never find it now. I'm sorry, Cheer. I'll find a way to make it up to you. I promise.
You didn't do it on purpose, Funshine. I know that. I'm not mad at you.
You forgive me?
That's what friends do when they care about each other.
Can you forgive me? I never should have dragged you into this.
No biggie, bro.
My necklace!
Oh, I hope I can fix this.
Wow, Funshine! It works perfectly!
Whoa. Now that's magic.
Thank you, Cheer, for being my friend.